This is where fresh chicken meets industrial precision.
Every journey begins long before the factory doors open. The journey to processing begins.
Protection safeguards both product and process.
Motion signals the start of processing. Fresh chicken enters the heart of production. The chicken now enters the core of transformation. Coverage follows anatomy. Temperature confirms the raw state.
Ready for distribution.
Every journey begins long before the factory doors open. Here, growth is guided by precision and care.
Nutrition is measured down to the gram.
Hydration keeps the system in balance.
Every variable is constantly monitored. Clean air sustains healthy growth.
Health checks are part of the daily routine.
Growth data guides every decision.
Consistency ensures quality at scale.
Timing is critical as harvest approaches. Handling is designed to minimize stress.
Each crate protects airflow and comfort.
Verification ensures traceability.
Logistics begin at the source. The journey to processing begins. Speed meets scheduling.
This is where fresh chicken meets industrial precision.
The factory awaits the next transformation. Every load enters under strict control. Identity and origin are instantly verified. Data locks the record. Arrival is timed to the minute. Weight confirms shipment integrity. Biosecurity starts at the wheels. Conditions remain tightly controlled. Positioning must be exact. Human coordination meets heavy machinery. The environment is now isolated. Movement pauses before transfer begins.
Records follow the product.
Looks good, airflow is clear.
Final checks prevent disruption.
The handoff begins. Transport gives way to transformation. Consistency begins with the people. Every step protects quality and safety. Clean entry is non-negotiable.
Protection safeguards both product and process.
Beyond this point, control takes over. Systems are aligned for flow. Cleanliness moves with gravity. Temperature protects freshness.
Transition zones reduce stress and delay.
Motion signals the start of processing. Precision begins at the handoff. The environment shapes the outcome.
Handling begins with calm control. Environment reduces stress before processing.
Only healthy birds proceed. The transition point approaches. Spacing prepares precision.
This is where transformation truly begins.
Confirmed. Looks good.
Oversight keeps the system honest.
Fresh chicken enters the heart of production. Humane stunning ensures instant unconsciousness. Feathers are removed efficiently. From life to food, live-poultry, handled with responsibility. Cleaning begins immediately.
Sorting begins by eye.
Data guides routing. Standards are enforced instantly. Temperature locks freshness. Preparation for precision begins. The chicken now enters the core of transformation.
Flow control is critical at this stage.
This is where precision replaces preparation.
Each cut follows a fixed geometry.
Every part has a destination. Sensors guide precision. Temperature preserves texture. Human skill refines the cut. Natural joints guide separation.
Efficiency comes from flow alignment.
Every component is accounted for. Human eyes validate machine precision. Consistency is measured in grams. Uniformity drives efficient. Controlled pacing keeps lines balanced.
Preparation enhances absorption. Moisture control protects texture.
Each cut follows its own transformation path.
Breast fillets demand controlled absorption. Vacuum pulls flavor deep into the meat. Flavor development begins here. The next transformation is about to unfold.
Wings require speed, not force.
Dense cuts need direct infusion.
Coverage follows anatomy.
The base flavor is now locked. Flavor layers build here.
Time completes the transformation.
Surface coverage is the priority.
Flavor application is now complete.
Balance follows intensity. Uniformity is achieved.
Clean release prevents overload.
Surface area defines crunch.
Structure preserves consistency.
Every cut now carries flavor.
Lines reunite under control.
Synchronization prevents variation. Even spacing ensures even coating.
Orientation matters. Every crevice is covered.
Coverage follows anatomy.
Delicacy preserves quality.
Technology watches every detail.
Raw coating thickness is verified.
Gravity does the work.
Human precision refines automation.
This product is raw and ready.
Structure is stabilized without heat.
Form is secured, not cooked. Cooking happens later, not here.
Precision begins without heat. Only intact coating proceeds.
Structure is preserved, not set.
Raw product alignment is confirmed. Cold conditions preserve raw structure.
This product is raw by design.
Quality control begins in the raw state.
Human judgment validates appearance.
Flexibility confirms raw structure. Temperature confirms the raw state. Samples are taken without contamination. Isolation protects accuracy.
Testing begins in controlled conditions.
Portions meet exact specification.
Data confirms compliance.
Non-conformance is isolated. Quality control is complete. The product remains raw by design. Structure is preserved.
Sealed without cooking.
Marination is verified and recorded. Safety checks continue. Cold storage protects quality.
Ready for distribution.
The cold chain never breaks. From farm to factory, preparation is complete.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.